So today video lecture is on the classification of refrigerant. The refrigerant are classified as follows: primary refrigerant and secondary refrigerant. Primary refrigerant are those working mediums or heat carriers which directly take part in the refrigeration system and cool the substance by absorption of latent heat. Example, that is ammonia, then carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methyl chloride, methylene chloride, ethylene chloride, and freon group of refrigerant are there. Then secondary refrigerant, that is, in secondary refrigerant we have refrigerant are those circulating substance with the help of the primary refrigerant and are then employed for cooling purpose. Example, ice, carbon dioxide, etc. These refrigerant cool substance by absorption of their sensible heat. Then primary refrigerants में क्या क्या आते हैं? The primary refrigerants are further classified into following group. First, halocarbon compound. Second, azeotrops. Third, hydrocarbons. Fourth, inorganic compounds. And fifth, unsaturated organic compounds. Now, halocarbon compounds. In 1928, Charles Kettering and Dr. Thomas Migay and developed this group of refrigerant. In this group are included refrigerant which contains one or more of the three halogen chloride and bromide, and they are sold in the market under the name of freon or genetron, isotron and aerotron. Since the refrigerant belongs to this group have outstanding merit over the group's refrigerant, therefore they find wide field of application in domestic, commercial and industrial purpose. ASHRAE, that is American Society of Conditioning Engineers, identify 42 halogens compound as refrigerant, but only a few of them are commonly used. Some are commonly used halocarbons compound are given in the table. That is commonly used halocarbons, that is R11 trichloromonofluoromethane, then R12 difluoromethane, then R13 trifluoromethane, then R14 carbon tetrafluoride, R21 dichloro monofluorodifluoromethane, R30 methylene chloride, R40 methyl chloride, R100 ethyl chloride, R113 trifluoromethane, then R114 tetrafluoroethane, then R115 monochloro pentafluoromethane, and then R152 dichloroethane. These are the halogen compounds which are used as a refrigerant. Then comes azeotropes. The refrigerant belonging to this group consists of metals cannot be separated into components by distillation. They possess fixed thermodynamic properties and do not undergo any separation with changes in temperature and pressure. An isotope behaves like a simple substance. Some of the isotope are given in the table, that is R500, that is 73%, 73.8% R12 and 26.2% R152. Then R502, 48.8% R22 and 51.2% R115. Then R503, 40.1% R23 and 59.9% R30, 48.2% R32 and 51.8% R115. These are the isotope mixtures. Then comes hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Most of the refrigerant of this group are organic compound. Several hydrocarbons are used successfully in commercial and industrial installations. Most of them possess satisfactory thermodynamic properties for but are highly inflammable. Hydrocarbons are highly inflammable. Some of the important refrigerant of this group are given in the table. Next page. That is hydrocarbon, that is R50 methane CH4. Then we have R170 ethane C2H, 290 propane C2H8, then R600 butane C4H10 and R601 isobutane CHCH3 bracket में फिर 3. Then inorganic compound. Before the introduction of hydrocarbon group, these refrigerants were most commonly used for a purpose. The important refrigerant of this group are R717, that is ammonia, R718, that is water, R729, that is air, R744, carbon dioxide, R764, sulfur dioxide. These are the inorganic compounds used as a refrigerant. Then unsaturated organic compound. The refrigerant belonging to this group possesses ethylene or propylene as their constituent. This as given in the table, that is R1120 trichloroethylene, R1130 dichloroethylene, R1150 ethylene, R1270 propylene. The formula for them are C3H4Cl3 for trichloroethylene, C2H4Cl2, that is for dichloroethylene, and C2H4 for ethylene, and propylene, that is C3H6. So these are the various type of the refrigerant which are being used for the refrigeration purpose. Unsaturated organic compound, then inorganic hydrocarbons, lot of hydrocarbons are there. Then isotope. Isotopes are very important. These are the mixture of various refrigerants which are used, and their application is widely used. And then we have got this hydrogen compounds. That's all.